The time now, 11:13 in the evening time on this Wednesday night, May 21st, 2014 on a Wednesday night. Time now for Waterman Judiciary PJ Wiggins, the late hour report. Wednesday night, May 21st, 2014. Good evening, everybody. Our calculations at 11:13 p.m. in North Massachusetts, 50 degrees our temperature, humidity 96% with fair skies, wind speed is calm, barometer 295 inches, dew point 49 degrees, and a visibility of 10 miles. Let's take a look at our radar scope, and it shows
McDonald's corporate campus in Chicago. The group, which included workers from McDonald's and other fast food restaurants,
couple of clusters of showers and thunderstorms from central New York and down from north central Pennsylvania and northwestern Pennsylvania, stretching down from northeastern Ohio and stretching down from southeastern portions of Pennsylvania and down for the eastern Maryland, Delaware, southern New Jersey, and down for southeastern Maryland and down for southeastern Virginia. Here, a couple of patches of rain showers in western and northeastern portions of Ontario, down to western and eastern portions of Quebec, down for northern Maine, western portions of New Brunswick. A couple of light rain showers in central and eastern portions of Nova Scotia, western and southeastern portions of Prince Edward Island. Here, a couple of batches of showers and some storms from western portions of Virginia down for southwestern West Virginia, down for eastern Kentucky, northeastern Tennessee, and stretching down for southwestern Illinois, central Indiana, down for central Illinois, and down for north central portions of Kentucky, down north central portions of Tennessee. Here. And let's take a look at the Cincinnati radar here. And we're seeing some heavy bands of showers and thunderstorms in the western suburbs of Cincinnati around Taylorsport and Hebron, and stretching on Harrison and stretching all the way on to Harmony, Indiana here. And those
it's a new medical field.
those storms gonna be in the greater Cincinnati area about in the next couple of hours here. So we will turn on the
Boston-based company Epidemico on the front lines with their
and it's got a lot of hail from southeastern Indiana down to northern Kentucky, and a batch of hail from around west central Indiana there.
We actually picked up a report on April 1st of 2009
and a couple of line of rain showers from southwestern portions of Texas and north central portions of northern Mexico, and a line of rain showers from western portions of Texas down for western Oklahoma, and down for western Kansas, down for southwestern portions of Nebraska, down for northeastern portions of Colorado, central and western portions of Colorado, and down for east central portions of Wyoming, down for southwestern portions of South Dakota. A lot of rain showers in the northwestern portions of northern western portions of Wyoming, down for southwestern Montana, down for central Idaho, down for southeastern portions of Oregon, down for north central portions of Nevada, down for eastern portions of California. Rain showers in the southwestern and southeastern portions of British Columbia, down for east central portions of British Columbia, down for west central portions of Alberta. Line of rain showers in central and north central portions of Saskatchewan. Here, a lot of rain showers in southeastern and west central portions of California. McNairy, Texas. Good evening. It is 84 degrees with a few clouds here. Let's take a look at our satellite loop, and it shows a line of clouds coming in northern New England and down from Atlantic Canada, and a line of clouds from Delaware and stretching out for Virginia, down for western Pennsylvania, down for our Valley, and stretching out northeastern portions of Missouri. And a batch of clouds from Mexico, stretching all the way up to the western Texas, up into the Plains states, and down for South Dakota, down for eastern Wyoming, down for Colorado, and New Mexico. And a batch of clouds from south central portions of Colorado, and up in Nevada, down for Idaho, and stretching it up to eastern Oregon, down for west Montana, and down to Washington State, and stretching out British Columbia all the way up to Montana. Here, you have a batch of clouds covering the northern Great Lakes, and down for Ontario, down for northern portion of Quebec.
It's an electrical fire by heat generator.
And let us take a look at our map situation. Cold front from northwestern portions of Mexico, stretching up into central Arizona, down to southern Utah. Pink front from Utah, down to southeastern portions of Idaho. Station front from Colorado, stretching out from northern Texas and down to Kansas, down Missouri. And a cold front from Missouri, stretching up in Illinois, Indiana, and down from Michigan. And a warm front from Ontario, down for western New York and Pennsylvania, and a cold front from south central Pennsylvania, down for Maryland, out to sea. 45 from the Carolinas, down for Georgia coastline. Further from eastern and western portions of Ontario, and another further from western portions of Saskatchewan and Alberta, down from north central Montana, and a further from southwestern Utah, down from southern Nevada, and down from east central portions of California. And we got high pressure in the Gulf of Mexico, New York City, and low pressure in western and north central portions of Texas, and southern Idaho, and northern Michigan here. And we got high pressure in, also located in
a high 79, a jump of 40 degrees. Now, not as extreme along the coast because the sea breeze cut down the temperature once it reached the mid-60s in Boston. It's 56 now.
And we got a band of high pressure from the high plains up in the Dakotas and up in Manitoba here. 57 degrees on temperature out in Boston. It's 66 out in Washington, D.C. 76 in Atlanta, 77 in Miami, 77 in Brownsville, 80 in Dallas, Texas, 81 in Kansas City, 76 in Chicago, 60 in Minneapolis, 71 in Great Falls, Montana, 66 in Seattle, 60 in San Francisco, 63 in Los Angeles, 72 in Salt Lake City, 54 in Denver, and 79 in Albuquerque. Current conditions, Manor region. We got a temperature of 56 in Boston, 56 in Bedford, 61 in Fitchburg, 55 in Norwood, 50 in Taunton, 55 in Bedford, 52 in Falmouth, 52 in Provincetown and in Cape Cod Bay, 48 in Chatham, 53 in Montpelier and Nantucket, 55 out in Buckeye, 54 in Westerly, 57 in Providence, 54 in West Smithfield, 56 in Webster, 57 in Sturbridge, 58 out in Milford, 56 in Worcester, 64 in Greenfield and Almas, 62 in Springfield, 59 in Pittsfield, 56 in North Adams, 65 in Albany, 57 in Bennington, 63 in Keene, 56 in Jeffrey, 56 in Concord, New Hampshire, 57 in Manchester, New Hampshire, 16 in Nashville, New Hampshire, 57 in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, 46.9 in New Hampshire Bay, 53 in Boston Harbor, 61 in Windsor, 61 in Hartford, 60 in Meriden and New Haven and Bridgeport, and in Waterbury, and 57 in Waterbury, 60 in Danbury, 62 in New York City, 61 in Islip, and 57 in Montauk. Here. Okay, forecast discussion in around the country here. Severe thunderstorms possible Wednesday evening along Interstate 74 from Baltimore to Denver. Much needed precipitation from some of the drought-stricken regions of the southern and central high plains. Widespread rain and thunderstorms will continue to fire by surface wavy crescent now. Great Lakes and then trailing cold front pushing the southeastward from the Ohio Valley to the mid-Atlantic coast. The tail end of the boundary should slowly sink southward to the nation's midsection to serve as another focal point for the convection. Storms available along the front will be tapping along the warmer and juicier mass will have the potential to become strong and severe. They should impact in locations along the Interstate 74 from Baltimore to Denver. Cool and settled weather is expected to be neat. An expansive cold vortex moving on and on southwest United States. That below will be a weakening with time, keeping precipitation scattered across Atlantic across California and the Four Corners region. However, as a vortex gradually edges east and moisture streams north found in the western Gulf of Mexico, some area mentioned precipitation should be developed across the drought-stricken regions that are the south to the central high plains and elsewhere across the nation. A cold front will trigger light shower activity over west.
Day by day, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, temperatures will.
There's the bunches west coast on Thursday and pushes the land on Friday. Okay, let us take our forecast discussion in New England here. Cooler and occasionally shower weather expected Thursday for Saturday. Fight the remainder of the holiday weekend. Looks like warmer conditions will happen, especially on Memorial Day, and scattered showers may move in next Tuesday. New term month for Thursday. Low confidence for forecast conditions for first concerning the potential for fog affected and off the ocean in the eastern Massachusetts overnight. There is a fog developed across the Cape and Nantucket at 10 p.m. That will be falling to the northeast side of Vaughan County warning area, affecting the parks of New Hampshire to the Portland, Maine region. Still uncertified. Much fog will develop along the western and eastern Massachusetts coast and exact visibility. It's greater than transit if you think of and boundary layer. Will promote some fog, but unsure that it will be dense. Has precipitation potential brightest scattered showers and thunderstorms will be working across portions of western New York and western Pennsylvania. However, its low level moisture is likely across our region. Not sure how much this activity will survive as it pushes east our region. For now, I'm thinking best shot that scattered showers will move across southwest zones toward daybreak as the HRR model shows. However, a few showers will be possible toward daybreak just about anywhere but in mind. No means a washout. Low temperature daybreak will be falling in the upper 40s in the middle 50s across the region. And for tomorrow, we will see temperatures be 10 to 15 degrees below normal Thursday and Friday, and rainfall amounts for Friday will be less than an inch ball. Western portions of Massachusetts see higher amounts around a half to 3/4 inch from 9 1/4 from New Haven, Hartford, up in Springfield, and up in Greenfield, and up in Western Hampshire, Central Hampshire. 3/4 1 inch possible from the Berkshires of Massachusetts and eastern New York down for Western Connecticut down for up in Vermont, and general 1/4 and an inch rain from much of the eastern Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and down for northeastern Connecticut down in New Hampshire and Maine, and 10th for a quarter inch from coastal portions of southeastern Massachusetts, Plymouth County, down for coastal Rhode Island, and stretching all the way up to coastal Maine. Here. Okay, bus stop forecast. 7 a.m. 52 degrees, a few showers, and at 6:04, 2 p.m. few showers. So, mothers, pack the rain gear for the kids. But guys, it is gonna be rainy on Monday. Okay, let us take a look at our deck cam. And it shows a beautiful night over the reservoir, but in a few hours from now, we are going to condense some showery and cold conditions on tap. Okay, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. It goes like this. For tonight, we are gonna see.
Take your DVR shows to go with the Legendary 5-day DVR. And now you can record and watch 15 shows at once. The X1 Entertainment Operating System, only from Xfinity.
While you're sleeping overnight tonight, here's a fog after 3 a.m. overnight, mostly skies with a low in 50 degrees. Light southeast wind. Thursday, chance of showers, mainly after 9 a.m. There's a fog before 8 a.m. overnight, mostly skies high near 62 degrees. Calm wind becoming east around 6 miles per hour in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation 40%. New precipitation amounts less than a 10 inch possible. First that, chance of showers, patch of fog after 2 a.m. overnight, mostly skies low in 49 degrees. Light east wind, chance of precipitation 40%. Friday, chance of showers, mainly before 5 p.m. Much fog before 8 a.m. overnight, skies high near 61 degrees. Northeast wind about 5 to 11 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 40%. New precipitation amounts less than a 10 inch possible. Friday night, slight chance of showers before 9 p.m. Most skies low in 40 degrees. North wind about 11 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 20%. Saturday, chance of showers, patch of skies near 66 degrees. Chance of precipitation 20%. Saturday night, chance of showers before 9 p.m. Most skies low in 50 degrees. Chance of precipitation 30%. Sunday, patch of skies near 71 degrees. Sunday night, Podcast got low in 50 degrees. Monday, Memorial Day, most of the sun skies near 75 degrees. Monday night, most skies got low in 56 degrees. Tuesday, part of the sun skies near 74 degrees. Tuesday night, most skies got low in 57 degrees. And for Wednesday, part of the sun skies near 74 degrees. Pitters with a phrase of the night. A foggy night on tap and a showery and a cool day on tap for the hour and for the next 3 days. So it's BJ with some beautiful good night with a good positive to be. See you tomorrow morning. Good night.